What's up, everybody? Logan from Crypto Videos back with another video. Today we're going over the Enso token. Name of the token is ENSO, and that is also the ticker symbol. And this token is getting a very big central exchange listing starting October 14th. And we're going to go over the information on the Enso token and talk about how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt, and always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, this token is an ERC20 token on the Ethereum blockchain. You can find it on Etherscan. There is 18 decimal places on this token and a max total supply of 100 million Enso tokens. Now, it was just announced that this token here will be getting a very big central exchange listing starting October 14th on a very big central exchange called Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code in the description box of this video, and I'm also going to put a QR code right up in the corner of the screen over here so you guys can easily find this project. But basically, all you'd have to do is simply just go right through that Mexc Global referral code, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, and you would search the ticker symbol Enso and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So it says here, Enso is a unified network that connects all blockchains, empowering developers to build composable applications for millions of users across Web 2 and Web 3. Now, we introduce Enso, a decentralized shared network for generating executable bytecode for smart contracts across many blockchains, rollups, and app chains. Enso is a network that lives as a Tendermint Layer 1 based blockchain, mapping all smart contract interactions, allowing developers to combine and interact with any smart contract on any chain through one source. The Enso network addresses the key issue of usability within the blockchain ecosystem by enabling developers to state their desired outcome, and network participants coordinate to obtain a solution to fulfill the developer's request. By using Enso as a coordination layer, developers can now build truly composable and unstoppable applications with minimal friction. So the problems that they are trying to solve, one of the big ones is usability. And they have a 9-page white paper that goes over all sorts of information here. You can find it on their webpage, enso.build, along with a document section as well. And the document section has getting started guides, DeFi and swap routing, cross-chain routing, bundling actions, get protocol data, get balances, authentications. There's examples. Concepts, all sorts of things here. So there's one section here to start building. There's another section for API reference. And then there's another section for build with templates. So these are the Enso developer documentation shortcuts to executable call data for DeFi workflows. Now, if you want to follow their Twitter, I'm going to put that in the corner of the screen over here as usual, so you guys can easily find this project here at Enso Build. Gold verified checkmark, 2,122 posts so far. Has a link to their webpage there. 221,100 Twitter followers. It says Enso is blockchain shortcuts, your fastest way to build and launch on chain, backed by Polychain and multi-coin cap. And they also have a Discord on their page that you could join as well. So all sorts of places to find info regarding this project here. So I mentioned developers here. So it's the shared network state for developers to interface with blockchain conveniently. They should not be concerned with all the complexities of each smart contract and should be able to state their desired outcome as an intent with all complexities of execution abstracted away. So to achieve this, Enso introduces the first shared network for building transactable bytecode for execution. Smart contract abstractions are contributed to the shared network by action providers, and once accepted as a valid contribution, they are stored as an entity in the map. With each contribution, the relationship between smart contracts and their ability to interface with each other becomes clearer, resulting in an extensive map of all executable relationships. To build transactable bytecode for execution on smart contracts, the network not only stores the individual data required to build bytecode, such as the function signature, token in, and outcome, but also pre-requirement fetchers that must be validated before building bytecode. For example, an NFT mint may have a limit of 1,000 NFTs available for purchase. So a pre-requirement fetcher for this particular abstraction would fetch the current minted amount and the maximum amount of NFTs that can be minted. Consequently, consumers are returned valid bytecode that can be executed. The Enso network has 4 different participants. Number 1 is the action provider, which are developers that publish smart contract abstractions on chain. Number 2 is the graphers, the sophisticated individuals focused on building algorithms to solve a consumer's request. Number 3 is the validators, who secure the Enso network by accepting valid consumer requests, and consumers, who call the Enso network with their request by stating their desired outcome. And there's 3 key components within the Enso network: requesting, action submission, and solution aggregation. So you can check out more information about all the stuff I just mentioned on their paper, their document section, their webpage, enso.build. And like I said, as of October 14th, you'll be able to get the token on Mexc Global. So check out all the referral codes in the description box. Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.